but sometimes it just takes a mistake. See